Forum marketing. This can be a very powerful list building method if done right. The key here is quality. I know a lot of marketers that have tried marketing in forums and it didn't work out for them. And what I noticed was it was because of the quality of content they were providing. So what you would do is you would go to a forum or multiple forums in your niche and you look for questions being asked and you try to answer those questions as best as you can. You could even try to do some research first before posting your answer. And in your signature area, you provide a link to your squeeze page, and you could also put text there that goes along the lines of click here for my free report on how to lose weight in 10 days, for example. Okay, so again, the key here is the quality of content. And if people notice that you're providing a lot of good quality, they're going to go to your squeeze page, trying to learn more about you. You could also try to start some threads and provide more insightful information. That way you can also ask some thought-provoking questions, anything you can to get attention and to get people to start noticing you and the quality of the content that you have to provide. Another great thing about forum marketing and being busy in the forums, helping people out, is that it's a great way for you to meet other marketers or other people that you may do business with in the future.